All right. Good morning to you all. Thank you so much for tuning into this wonderful little live stream. We're just going to do a quick one. I mean, given that price is getting ready for that circuit breaker, once again, we're not going to be trading much. You can see we're taking some micros, but that's about it. We did say last night that, hey, we can see probably a continuation down, a little retrace. And those are the levels that we were watching, possible retraces on those. Asian session or London session, you can see the interaction rate from our little daily thing. Where's our little... oh, that's right. That's a different one on this one. Daily plan. Right here is our daily plan. What did Asian session do? Asian session consolidated, right, arranged. Then we had a manipulation during our London session. So now New York could continue down. Just continue selling. We're looking at that 18,474.50 as that line in the sand level. Want to see what we do once we hit those bottom levels, right? So we'll see. We shall see. Let's see what we do. I mean, I don't got much else. We're doing exactly what we were saying we would do on the previous night's live stream. You can see that reversal, right? That 4 hour is still a little bearish. We said 50% possible of this wick. We are now below the 50% of that wick, so we can continue on down, which would be nice. 60-minute, same thing. Came up, retested this fair value gap right here. So as long as we hold below that fair value gap, we're very likely to continue on to the downside. This level right here, the bottom, the 18,819, that's going to be our level right here. 18.8. I mean, it's a little bit more on NQ, but it's whatever. So 18,819, that's going to be our level line in the sand. If we break below that, then we are looking for more downside, right? If we break and hold that level, then we can see a continuation to the downside. If not, then we're going to look for a reversal back up, right? But it seems like they're playing out that same pattern that they've played out in the past, where they just lowercase h us all the way down, right? Where did we do this? Just all the way over here, right? Boom, lowercase h down, lowercase h down. Kind of grind, come up, grind, lowercase down, lowercase h down. No, just a continuation of the same pattern that we have been doing in this massive sell-off that's been going on since Mr. President took office. Tariffs were supposedly announced last night, and that gave us that huge, or not last night, but yesterday after market close, right? They gave us that huge circuit breaker. So we're nearing that again, I believe. Let me see. Let me see who has this information. Matt covered it last night. Let's see. Circuit breaker 7% down. Settlement price, US equity index futures. Let's see. Stick a gander. Space equity futures price limits, frequency. Okay, price limits. Let's see. Mm-mm. 13% decline. Mm-mm. Downside limit. Futures, S&P. Q. Where's that? Price. Exposure futures leverage. Last change 4%. Volume 18,921. Let's see. Quotes, settlements, specs, margins. Yeah, not seeing that. Time sales. All right, but anyways, can't find that price. We are nearing that circuit breaker, those circuit breaker levels again. So just be cautious. Err on the side of caution. Don't wanna get chopped up. Don't wanna get nothing. Play small, if at all. Like Matt likes to say, we can still see downside right there. I mean, you can see we took out this liquidity right there. It's pretty major on that hourly. As long as we're below that, we're still liking that short. I might close this out and then see what we do. We can possibly see a little retrace before a continuation lower, as we have not swept that Asian price bottom right there. That's possibly the target right there. We're playing very carefully today. I'm not trading my other account at all the rest of the week, just because of how volatile it's been. But other than that, thank you guys. Stay cautious with this level. Remember, if this 18,819 breaks, then we will see the 18,474.50 very likely. Right now, upside. Watch that fair value gap and watch this little fair value gap, right? Other than that, thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you're not part of the community yet, make sure you check out papertraders.io. That's going to be your go-to website to check out all the tools, check out our indicators, check out our free tools that we give out on there, and also check out the previous live streams that we've done. So go check that link out. You're going to find a link at the bottom of that page that links you to our YouTube live stream playlist, or just a live section on YouTube. So you're able to check out all of those previous streams that we've done. So make sure you go do that and see I've done and learn those lessons. Follow Mr. Hayes Beats on Twitter, or just at Hayes Beats. Follow Big Timmy Hedge. And if you did enjoy these guys, give it a like and give it a share. And we'll see you later tonight.